Oh my goodness, why do I have to sign in every single time I want to use something? Can I please just sign in? There we go. Okay, what is my password then? There we go. New project. Open up Unity. Give me 1 second. I'll give you guys visual on my screen soon. Maybe. I don't know. There we go. There we go. And boom. Alright. So, like the name of the stream suggests, I'm just streaming me doing some game design homework. So if you like to watch me, or if you happen to be interested in game design, you might just learn a couple of things here, as I will be using Unity to make something. Now, I've already messed up in getting this ready because I am using Unity 3D, and I need to make a new project in Unity 2D. So I need to make a new project. I need to click this 2D because I'm going to be making a project in 2D, and re-export it. Give it a little bit of time. It's loading. Yo, Unity, get out the way. I want to turn on some music, but you're like completely in the way. Alright, there we go. Alright, some music. Alright, so I gotta remember how to do all of this stuff, so give me 1 second. Alright, so I'm supposed to be making... My job is supposed to be making the title menu, the main room, and a puzzle. So I guess I'll get started on the main room. So this is the title screen. So in order to make the title screen, I'm gonna need to insert buttons. So let's see if I remember this correctly. Let's insert text right here. Can I get rid of this? Can I just get rid of this? Layout. Get that 2x3. There we go. Thank you. New text. Change that to... what is the text I need to... What's the working title of our game? We don't even have a working title to our game. Let's just say... Dream... Let's say Musical Dream. That's the best thing I got for me right now. Don't ask for anything better. Where is the text compared to the thing? Because, where's the text on screen? Wait, why is it all the way down there? There we go. Alright, we're gonna move this up right here. We're gonna make that font bold. We're gonna make that font even bigger. Hey, whoever's watching the stream right now, what font do you think I should use? This is actually for my final, so do take it serious, actually. But, what font do you think I should use? Well, I only have Arial, so I'm gonna be using Arial. But I will be doubling the size. If you're ever using the text thing in Unity, one thing for you to know is that you need to make the text box over here. Let me increase my stream theme. You need to make sure that, can you guys see my mouse? Alright, cool. You gotta make sure that you have the right width and height. So you can see right now, you can't even see the text. But if you make it bigger, like say 280, 400, 800 by, let's say, another 800. There we go. Now you can actually see the text. Then what we're going to do is we're going to censor it. I'm going to change the text color to maybe something a little bit more like this. How much longer are you in school? Till December 23rd. I go home December 23rd. Oh wait, I completely forgot I can add a material. Let me show you guys how to make a material. Yep, I get out December 23rd. So in order to make a material, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to assets. You're gonna, or maybe right here. Where do you make it? Are you gonna go to your assets folder, right click, go to create, and create a material. This is how you can, if you ever want to change the color of an object you've ever made, like a cube or anything like that, you're gonna make one of these materials. Now, since I've made this material, I can apply it to my text, and hopefully that should make the text pretty cool. Let's see. Take this material, put it in here. Nope, it doesn't work with it. Alright, so that tells me that you can't use those, so I'm just going to change the material to... oh my goodness, I don't want to edit the material, I just want the material itself. Good, thanks for the luck. But yeah, right now I'm just working on my final. We'll just go with base. Musical dream. Next thing I'm going to have to add is buttons. I don't think that we're going to need anything too extravagant. So I'll just go to button. Let me move the button right here. Now, I do have to program the buttons, just so you guys know. But I guess you guys will be watching me program the buttons. Let's see. Progression. I think this will change to how big the button is. Let's see. And I just want to double this right now. There we go. Alright, so this button right here is going to be... alright, I need the button text. There we go. This button is going to be start game. Start game. Then I need a copy of this button. So if I want a copy of it, I'm just going to save this as a prefab. Basically, saving something as a prefab is like saying, I want to save a copy of this. So it's like you know, your standard copy and paste. Well, saving a prefab is like saying, I want to save a copy of this so I can paste it multiple times. So now, since I saved this button as start game, I'm now able to make copies of this button as, if I enter this, then I make a copy of start game. However, I'm going to be changing start game to instructions. And then I'm going to make one more button. And this one is going to be further down, so that way the player's not inclined to click it immediately. And this one's going to be end game. There we go. Alright, now everything's done on the button part. Now everything goes to coding. My least favorite, well, not my least favorite part, but it's one thing that I'm not good with. I'm going to leave everything like this, but it is to be said, of course, there's no artwork in the background. I'm going to hope and pray that whoever's doing the artwork knows that he's going to need to do artwork for the background for this. I'm going to go and check right quick and see if he put up artwork. So give me 1 second. I got to sign into my Google account. And everything like that. Let's see. Take me to Gmail. I gotta access the thing so that way I can start pasting in sound effects. Oh man, I gotta go so far back in my emails to get that invite. There we go. Alright, I believe this should be it. Alright. Give me 1 second. I just realized that my group has a Discord. We started a Discord that I did not know about. So let me actually join this Discord real quick. There we go. Oh, there's only 2 people in this Discord. Well, either way, I'll put it in later. I'm pretty sure that we're gonna know that we need backgrounds. There's only 1 background that we have, so I'm gonna assume that we know that we're gonna need backgrounds. Do we have possible... Dang, there's nothing in here. Oh, this is not gonna be good. Oh, I gotta start kicking it into high gear so that way we can get this ready. Alright, so either way, next part of the game design is gonna be coding. So let me bring over a Google page so that way I can teach you guys how to program buttons in Unity. Programming a button is the same thing as programming in general. It's just like saying what you want a button to do. So, let's see. Let me see if I remember this. So, if you go to button start game... God, I gotta remember how to program a button. I completely forgot how to program buttons. Oh yeah, so on click button 1. Wow, alright, well I'm gonna have to learn with you guys because it's been a while since I programmed buttons. So give me 1 second, guys. I have to look up myself how to program buttons. Which, luckily for Unity and such like that, it's pretty easy. Because everyone's done everything. There we go. Let's see. Buttons. Alright, let's see. I'm just gonna type into Google exactly what I need. How to program buttons to go to new scene. If I'm not able to find something on it, then I'll just bring up one of my old projects, because I can reverse engineer one of my old projects to remember how to program buttons. Button to the next scene. Let's see. Alright, I'm gonna pull up one of my old projects and... Oh wait, I gotta find one of my old projects that actually has, Oh god, I can't remember what the word I'm thinking of is, project files for. Alright, let's see if I can find one of my old projects that deals with buttons in the first place. I don't know why it's always buttons. I always forget how to program buttons. That's like the one thing I can never remember. I can remember everything else, but not buttons. And why does... Oh man, why does this take so long to load? I just want to... There we go. Go to one of my older classes. No, wait. No, that's not gonna have anything. That's not gonna have anything. Go back. Oh man, come on, hurry up! Why does it take so long to load? Alright. I'm just gonna have to pray that this has one of my old projects. Alright, maybe this has something? Nope. I believe the project that I'm downloading right now has something in it. Please tell me it's not just the final build and it's actually like, you know, the working. Oh man, it's not the working. Alright, I really need to think how to do buttons. Why is it always buttons that I forget? Alright, let me just look it up. If I can look it up, then look up how to do buttons, then I probably will remember. It always has to be the most simple things. How to program buttons is what I mean. Let's see. Let me keep looking. Maybe if I could just find one of my old projects that I turned in that has like the actual. Is this one of them? Alright, what's in this one? What? Alright, I really just don't know what that is. I don't even know what I named that. Alright. Alright, this is literally it. This is literally a Unity project all about buttons. Alright, if I can just get this, this is literally a project that I did that's all about buttons. This is when I learned how to do buttons, so if I can actually get the project files for this. Oh, thank God the project files are here for this. Now I just gotta wait to be able to extract it. Where did I extract it to? Alright, God. Just please let me do what I need to do. So then that way I can relearn how to do buttons. I really need to write down how I do buttons so that way I don't forget. Yeah, save it. Bada bing, bada boom. Save it as that. Oh God, there's nothing here. Yes, I don't really care. Just open it up. As long as it works, I don't care. As long as it opens up, I don't care. Man, what project was this? Was this? It has like, was this a text adventure game? Ooh, man, my arm. All right. Nothing is in the scene. All right, that's always a good thing if there's nothing in the scene. I'm kidding. All right. Is it scene that has to... What is this? What in the world? Start the game. What is this? Oh God, this is a completely different type of button. Oh my goodness, this is a completely different type of button. And that type of button is ooh, that's like the old type of button that I used to do. Oh man, I really... Man. Wait a second, I got an idea! I got an idea, guys. See, I just thought about it. I know one of my other projects. If I'm able to find one of my other projects, then I should be good. No, that's definitely not that one. No, can I get shared with me? Thank you. No, this is definitely not it either. Oh my goodness, I wish I could find this so then that way we could move on, but I can't figure out what it is. If I can't find it, then I'll probably just, unfortunately, kinda end the stream right now and just be like, I'm gonna start this. It's just so that way I can figure out what it is off screen, because it's gonna be I can know that it's gonna be very annoying to watch me try to figure out how to do buttons again. Alright, let me watch a tutorial video.
Tint is the
Because apparently I am just dumb and I don't remember how to do them. Alright, yeah, so I'm just gonna end the stream, and I guess I'll just restart the stream again after I learn how to do buttons. So I'll be back later. I'm sorry, I don't really want to be on camera right now while I try to relearn how to do buttons, because I'm getting kind of frustrated that I forget how to do one of the most basic things. So I'll be back. Wow, that was stupidly simple. That was stupidly simple. I do not know how I forgot how to do that. That was stupidly simple. Well, I hope this is the one that I just saved. But yeah, that was stupidly simple. I don't know how I forgot that. How to do that. Also, I don't know why it took me so long to find such a short tutorial. There we go. Alright, so, yeah, I'm an idiot. So, this is what I am supposed to do. If I wasn't such an idiot, I would have did it before. Create a C# script. Actually, delete that C# script. Because I did not name it. Make that C# script, make it called, Start Game. Click it, wait for it to open in mono develop. Alright, mono develop. I really don't know what you're talking about. How are you not opening a script that's right here? Thank you. Alright, so now I need to add a new thing that's going to be very similar to this, which is going to be... give me 1 second. Let me make sure I am doing this right. Which is going to be... Are you sure? Well, I'm gonna follow the guide, because the guide knows right. Public void... and delete this. Button on click. There we go. And I'm just gonna make sure that I have it right, so I'm gonna set up a debug. So I'm just gonna say debug log and we're gonna put in how you... Oh wait, what in the world? How did that get out of there? Hiya, how you doing, DD here? And make sure to put the semicolon at the end. Who messaged me? Who messaged me? I think my roommates are spamming the group chat, but I'm gonna keep streaming. Alright, so that should be it. Let me save. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a, go over here, we're gonna make a new, just empty object. Call that object start game. Boom. Add this to that. Because the script cannot, well, why do you have an error every time I want to do something? See, this is why I hate scripting, because there's always seems to be a problem. Please allow me to change the name of this. There always seems to be a problem whenever you script. There's just always a problem. Like, just there. The reason why there was a problem was because I put a space there, just in case you did not know. It's because I put a space there. Take all the buttons and put them outside. There. And also, please hurry up and, oh my goodness, there's so many windows that I have to have open. There we go. There. Something different. I need to download more songs, but I just never think to do it. Okay, so this button right here. Drag start game over to it. Button on click. Alright, so let's see. When I click on this button, and there we go. Hiya, how you doing, D? That means that whenever I click on that button, whatever I put in is gonna happen. And since I put in to say hi, how you doing, DD here, that means that that's what's happened. So that means that it is working just fine. So that means next I need to put, oh yeah, you guys can't see me program, so I'll allow you guys to see me program in just our code in just a second. As soon as I'm ready to do that. Now, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to tell it to go to a new scene. Actually, no, I can't tell it to go to a new scene yet. Alright. Well, I can still tell it to go to the new scene because we haven't gotten the graphics yet, so I gotta make sure to tell everybody in the Discord. Because I'm working on a group project if you did not know, so I'm gonna tell everyone in the group project. Remembered. We are going to need 2 pics for the intro. 1 for... I'll tell them later. I think I'm good that if we just have a thing, because we don't even have the sound effects ready. So I think it'll be good if it's just a thing that goes to the next screen. So I think... Oh my goodness, I do not remember. Alright. There we go. Where's my mouse? There we go. I do know what the code is for switching scene. It's like, I do know what the code is for switching scenes. It's application.load level. It's just that whenever I'm doing things, I like, especially coding, I like to double check because I make a lot of mistakes when coding. So I've just gotten into the habit of always checking no matter what, even if I feel like I have it right. Alright, so... There, now you guys should be able to see me code. There we go. Alright, So I'm going to be clicking on this one. Or at least, like I said, you guys should be able to see me coding. I'll just change the capture window. There we go. Oh, now you guys can see this too. Nice. There. Well, my work is right, at least for right now. Alright, we're going to change debug to application.loadLevel. And we're going to be changing this to... I'm going to make a new scene. I'm going to tile the new scene... start, I guess? I believe these have to be in quotations, but I'm not sure. Let me check. I don't know if these have to be in quotations or not. Let me check right quick. Bring it up. Thank you. Yep, I'm right. They have to be in quotations. Alright, I was right. Alright, file, save. We're gonna make a new scene. Create new scene. We're gonna name it Start. Boom. No, oh my goodness, so many things open on my computer right now, and it's not like, and it's just so many things. I can't check the group chat because I'm trying to do this homework, so I'm not really, you know, interested in goofing around right now. All right, save this. Start can be loaded because, all right, so that means I need to go over here. Go to build settings. If you ever want to add scenes, you got to make sure you add your scenes. So just add that one. Add that one. You're good. Your scenes are in. Alright, good. It's loading the scene. That means I did everything right. I love you. I am drink. What? What is that even supposed to mean? Alright, so that means that's right. So next thing that I need to do is I need to... the instructions tab. How am I going to do the instructions tab? If I do the instructions tab, I'm going to have to bring up a GUI menu rather than doing buttons. Because that would definitely make things a lot easier. A GUI menu. Let me think. What can I do to make a GUI menu up here? Let's see if I can remember off the top of my head. Because I usually don't do menus, which is why it's kind of like, you know, not exactly easy for me to remember. No, I don't need that. Oh my goodness. No, I don't want to rename it. I hate when it brings up the renaming thing. Alright, so I think that I will just look it up like I always have to do with menus. I don't do menus. Alright. Oh, God. You guys are distracting me so much. Come on, think. What is... Okay, there we go. Actually, I don't need to. I can just copy the script over from the other project that I just downloaded earlier. So, give me 1 second. There we go. Man, right now my mind is fried, so it's like I can't really talk that much in terms of making things entertaining. I'm just trying to think enough to be able to do this. Alright, well I can't pay attention to the group chat right now. God, I can't think right now! Okay. Oh, man. Alright, let me just see if I can get this to work. Like, don't you hate that moment when it's like you can't think? Like, no matter how hard you try, you just can't think in general. I hate when this happens. There we go. Okay, please stop. Thank you. Add one to the list. Add game, please. Function game. Alright, just change it, please. What in the world is going on? Okay. Whatever. Just close, I guess. I'm so out of it right now because I'm like, I hate doing menus because that's not one thing, that's not what I study. So it's like, oh, you need to do menus now. And I'm like, I don't do menus. So I get so annoying doing menus because I'm like, I don't do this. This is not my thing. Alright, so where is this supposed to... There we go. Oh. Oh, man. Oh, man. Please, just undo. Just undo, please. Of course I can't undo anymore. There we go. What? Okay. Alright. Alright, like I said, I think I'm gonna just end the stream here, and I'm just going to power through this, because, yeah, I don't... It's just, for some reason, I'm just having, like, a mental block on trying to do menus, like, because menus is not my thing. So, yeah. Maybe I'll start streaming again once I can actually start building a game, but for right now, I will probably be streaming tomorrow. Thought I could stream me doing this, but menus is just killing me, and it's just frustrating me.